Hello, welcome to Mimic channel again. Today I am going to explain you about the very critical product that is called as heater coil bund indicator. So what is the need of this heater coil bund indicator? It is because there are some critical applications in industry like ovens, pharmaceutical ovens. In the pharmaceutical ovens there are powders of suppose 10,000 rupees a kg or 20,000 rupees a kg, very high quality powders are there which are very critically adjusted to humidity or for drying. In that case, in that oven, suppose if one of the particular coil of the, generally in a heater or a coil, in an oven there are multiple of heater coils are there inside, the 20, 25. Out of that 20, 25, suppose one coil burns. What happens in that particular area inside that heater, the temperature goes down, which cannot be detected because there is only one sensor for one oven which senses suppose other point of that heater oven. So in that case what happens, after 2 hours or 3 hours, particular side powder is being damaged and that affects the total batch, because when the quality control that batch is being tested, some of the product is being rejected. So when some of the product is rejected, you have to completely reject the batch. So it's a big loss. This is the one operation. Second operation, when the cables are being manufactured, suppose it is HT or high tension cables are there. One cable or one batch is around 2 crore rupees batch in high tension cables, and the outer sheath, PVC sheath, is being extruded in that machines, and in that machine there are around 50 heaters in series. If one of the heater fails, nobody knows it, the heater is being failed. So whenever after 2 hours or after 12 hours, when the complete batch is complete, that particular PVC sheath, one part on the total one side, it is uncooked rubber. So there is a problem in quality. So you have to scrap down that particular batch of 2 crore rupees. So these are very critical operations in case of heaters. So suppose what somebody says, but the heaters current can be checked, RYB. But what happens when you give R? In R there are 10 heaters connected. In Y 10 heaters are connected. B 10 heaters are connected. If out of that 10, one fails, heater fails or heater failures, it cannot be detected just by sensing R because the current is already there. So for that, it's a critical application of heater coil bund indicator to save the cost or save the production. For that, Mimic has developed one simple idea. This is the particular heater coil bund indicator lamp. In this, there is a hole provided inside. In this hole, you have to just pass the heater coil. So all these 10 heaters coils will be, or wires will be, not coils, wires will be passed through this hole. By this induction of this current flowing, this lamp glows. It doesn't require any electricity. It glows only by the induction of that particular wire. When it glows, you are definitely known there is a current passing, so that heater is on. So all 10 heaters in suppose R, these 10 lamps are being connected. If one of the coil fails, the current stops, and when the current stops, the light stops. And in this, operator immediately knows and shut down the machine or whatever it is to save the loss. This is the fundamental or basic product of heater coil bund indicator. We are having also this is no current, no light. There is also one more thing, no current, yes light. So all the lights will be off, only the heater coil which is being failed, that light will be on. Then heater coil failed flashers, heater coil failed buzzers. These are the more types available. Some are with the timers, so heater fails, you cannot stop the machine. So it will have a NO or NC contact after a particular time period, say 1 minute. After 1 minute, it will give alarm or it will stop the machine, whatever you want to use that potentially contact. These are the fundamental basic products of heater coil bund indicator. There is one more product in which you can connect to only R phase and only you can detect the one heater is failed by just setting. It is an advanced model. About this, all these models in detail I will tell you in future videos of this heater coil bundle indicator, and this is just an introduction. Thank you.